What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our tutorial series. For this one, I'll be showing you guys how to go about updating your plain Jane themes and how to keep your settings as well, like to transfer all your settings over. Now, if you're trying to do this from plain Jane 2.0 to 3.0, you can't transfer your settings. Transferring your settings will only work if you have 3.0 already and you're trying to install updates post version 3. All right, so make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get straight into it. All right, guys, so first things first is you're going to want to get the latest theme update. So to do that, we built a form or a little portal for you guys. You can just put in your license key here and then Shopify theme from us here, and then hit submit, and you'll get the most updated version. All right, so if you want to get to this page, all you have to do is go to openspaces.design/updates/get-update. And I'll also leave a link in the description below. All right, so I'm gonna copy and paste my code in. All right, and then it's on plain Jane Interactive. I'm gonna hit submit. And there you go. Success, thank you, enjoy your update. You have one download remaining this week. Download here. So all you have to do is click this link here and you'll have your download right here. All right. Just keep in mind that you only have 3 downloads per week. We do this just so there's not, just a crazy amount of people just like spamming the downloads. But yeah, that's it. So let me show you guys how to now upload this to your store while keeping your settings. All right. All right, guys. So now we're in the Shopify dashboard. And what we're gonna do next is upload the theme. I already have it done here. Is this plain Jane Interactive version 2.0.4. But to do this, all you have to do is just click add theme, upload zip file, and you just upload it just like it's a brand new theme. I made another video on this. There's a previous installation video you can watch if you want to see it more in detailed, but it's basically the same concept. All right, so once you have it uploaded, now let me show you guys how to go about transferring your settings from your previous version to this newer version. So we're going to go from this 2.0.3 to the 2.0.4. All right. Transfer your settings. You're going to want to go to your current theme right here and then click these 3 dots here. And then you're going to want to click on edit code. All right. So once you do that, you'll see a window like this pop up. And when you're looking at it, you might have all these folders open. Just close everything. It'll be easier to look at. And you're going to want to only open up this templates folder right here. All right. Next, we're going to go back to the dashboard and we're going to do the same thing for the new theme, which is V 2.0.4 in our case here. Hit the 3 dots, and then we're going to click edit code. I already have a page open. It's going to open to this page. Same thing here. You want to only have this templates drop down or folders open. All right. So after doing that, you only want to look at, or let's go back to this one. This is our version 3, what we're transferring from. You want to only look at the .json files. All right. Every file that says .json, we're going to copy what's inside and transfer it over to the new theme, those exact settings, if that makes sense. So for example, let's do this cart JSON. These are like the cart settings. I haven't really customized the store that much, so this all looks pretty empty. But if you've done like all your customizing or whatever, you'll see a ton of different options and settings in here and a lot more code. So if it looks really long, don't get worried. That's fine. You just copy that, and then you're gonna go over to the next page here, go to cart, and then you're gonna paste it in. Okay. I know this looks the same too, because I mean, this is pretty much empty, but all you have to do is just transfer this from version 3 or your previous version to the new one. All right. And you're gonna have to do that for all the files here. You can skip over like this is .liquid or whatever, but everything that says .json in this templates folder, you're gonna have to copy and paste this section of code over. Now, it's not done this way by us. This is just how Shopify does things for third-party themes. We wish there was another way around this, but they don't really give many options. We're thinking of maybe creating like a Shopify app that you guys can use to like do this really easily. If you guys would be interested in something like that, we could definitely make it, but it's gonna just be based on, you know, how interested you guys are for that. You can leave, you know, just tell us in the comments if you want something like that. But outside of that, I think this method is best if you spend hours, you know, creating your store and you really don't want to start from scratch. That's probably the best way to go about doing it. If you haven't really done that much, you know, work, then you know, you can just start from scratch. It's not that big of a deal. But yeah, there you go. That's about it for this one, guys. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next tutorial. Peace.